students. Today in this video I will explain you the first volumetric experiment, that is preparation of standard solution of oxalic acid. Now oxalic acid formula is C2H2O4.2H2O. So it has two molecules of water of crystallization. Now first let us learn what is standard solution. We have learned in a solution chapter that any solution, if its concentration is known to us, then it is called as a standard solution. So standard solution is a solution whose concentration is known to us. So we are supposed to prepare N/20, that is 1/20 molar 100 ml of oxalic acid. So we need to weigh the oxalic acid, and that weighed quantity of oxalic acid we need to dissolve in 100 ml of water. So for that we will first calculate how much we are supposed to weigh. So this is the molarity formula. Molarity is equal to W2 into 1000 upon M2 into V in ml, where W2 is mass to be weighed, M2 is molar mass of oxalic acid, which is 126. We have also considered molar mass of water in it. 1000 is a dimensional analysis factor. V is 100 ml. Now N/20 means 1/20, and if we simplify this we get 0.05. So 0.05 into 126 into 100 divided by 1000 is equal to W. So when I solve this, I will get my answer as 0.63 gram. So I need to weigh 0.63 gram of oxalic acid, and then I will dissolve it in 100 ml of water. So let us go and prepare it. First we need to weigh it on a digital balance. So this left hand side button, when you press, the balance will start. So press the left hand side button, the balance will start. It will take some time to set to 0. Check that its setting is 0.00 initially. If it is not 0.00, then press the right hand side button, so it will turn to 0.00. Then place a watch glass over it. Now it is showing the weight of a watch glass. It is 19.91 gram. But we need to measure only 0.6 gram, 63 grams. So we need to nullify the weight. So by pressing this right hand side button, I have nullified the weight of watch glass. Now when I put the solid, it should read in this display board as 0.63. So I will go on adding oxalic acid slowly so that it doesn't fall on the blue color pen. It should fall exactly on a watch glass. So go on adding it slowly till it reads 0.63. See, it is exactly 0.63 now. I need to close it and check so that there is no disturbance from air current. So it is displaying 0.63. You can take the solid, just put off the balance, take the watch glass, and then transfer the solid in small beaker. So for transferring solid in small beaker, we need to give a washing with water. So use a wash bottle, add very little quantity of water because our final volume is only 100 ml. So add little quantity of water, give 2-3 washings, and see that watch glass is clean. Please do not transfer the solid with your hand. Then stir it thoroughly so that it dissolves. Now oxalic acid is a colorless solid, so when it dissolves, it also gives us colorless solution. So stir it with a glass rod thoroughly. When you can see no particles remaining undissolved, you can transfer that in a standard flask. this is standard measuring flask which is measuring 100 ml volume. There is only one mark here. Just see the mark. This mark is measuring 100 ml of volume. So I will transfer it slowly in standard flask. Just see the way we need to transfer. Glass rod should go here directly so that none of the drop of a liquid is lost. Touch the beaker to a glass rod and transfer it using funnel. Again put a glass rod in a beaker, add little more quantity of a water, see to it that you are using very little quantity every time you are giving washing. Again same way you transfer it in a standard flask. Now second time when we are transferring, the remaining quantity of a solid, if it is undissolved, that will also get transferred. So repeat the process for 2 to 3 times. Now we can add water directly up till the stem of the standard flask, and after that last few drops we need to add using dropper. So I will be using dropper to add last few drops. For that, hold the standard flask at your eyesight level and then you can pour the water directly up till the stem. Now it is very near to this mark which is measuring 100 ml. So now I will be adding drop wise till lower meniscus is adjusted. So don't be in a hurry, because if you don't adjust the meniscus properly, concentration which you desire will be wrong. So it is still requiring 2 to 3 more drops. So add drop wise only till lower meniscus is adjusted. You can see now I have adjusted the lower meniscus. That is, the lower curve should touch the mark. After this, you need to cork it and mix the solution thoroughly by putting it upside down. Now this is standard oxalic acid solution whose molarity is N/20, that is 1/20 or 0.05 molar, and this I will use for titration. That is the next experiment. Thank you.